Mhm. I just wanted to mention it's the first of July of 2019. Now, if you could see what I was doing on Guam at that time, yeah, and you did see me go into a bar where the conditions of my probation were that I would not go into any establishment that serves alcohol, yeah, and you didn't arrest me for it, I'm no longer on probation. My record's been expunged. So for the idiots that thought spying on me was such a great idea, yes. I just want to make sure that that evil eye that you just had to have, yes, so that you could allege violations of probation or any other criminality, yes, gave you the impression that you were the eyewitness of something that could or could not have happened. Yeah. Now, I just wanted to mention the blasphemy poop. Irreverence toward or contempt for God, religious or religious icon, or something else considered sacred, ooch, language, behavior, or work characterized by such irreverence or contempt. Yeah. Blasphemy was a crime at common law and remains so in some U.S. jurisdictions, yes, but is rarely, if ever, enforced because of its questionable constitutionality under the First Amendment. Yeah. Now, this malicious revilement of God, Jessica Lee Hodges, where you said the family allows you to say whatever you want to say about God. Now, why don't you get me the blasphemy, Poe? Because the truth of the matter was, yes, and is, I was on supervised probation, yes, and if any officer of the law had seen me violate that probation, right, they would arrest me for violating the probation, yes. But since you weren't living on Guam, and my wife abducted my sons, yes, and you violated this, you issued this protection order without any jurisdiction of law, yes, the real crime, the real crime is that Judge Ken Williams committed barratry because it was not issued according to the RCW requirements of the state of Washington, having, yes, the jurisdiction of the policing power of Guam, because the Superior Court of Guam, yes, was the actual jurisdiction of the probation. Did you want to make up some other bullshit? You have a great contempt for the judicial jurisdiction of courts because you believe, yes, that what you're doing, yes, is unquestionably in the best interest of the complainant, yes, and the minors named, yes, but without an actual complaint, yes, of domestic violence or child abuse. It's contempt of court to practice law when your practice of law is barratry.